Hello everyone, I am Dr. Justina Koshi
And I am Dr. Jenny Koshi.
और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं सबसे चर्चित विषय जो है वैक्सीन और उसके रिलेटेड जो अफवाहें हैं और रूमर्स हैं।
So moving on to our first myth. अरे वैक्सीन में तो पानी है, वो वैक्सीन लेके कुछ ही फ़ायदा नहीं है, वैक्सीन का तो कुछ ही असर नहीं है।
ये जो अफवाह है बहुत ही गलत और वाहियात है। वैक्सीन डेफिनेटली वर्क्स, दो द वैक्सीन्स में नॉट be able to give you 100% prevention against the COVID disease, बट जो लोग वैक्सीन्स लेते हैं अगर कभी उनको कोविड हुआ तो सिवियरिटी ऑफ द डिज़ीज़ जो है बहुत ही कम होता है। और ये बार बार सारे डॉक्टर्स बोल रहे हैं जो पेशेंट्स वैक्सीन ले रहे हैं उनको ट्रीट करना काफ़ी आसान है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द पेशेंट्स जिन्होंने वैक्सीन नहीं लिया है।
मैंने सुना है कि वैक्सीन तो सिर्फ कोविड को प्रिवेंट करता है, तो फिर वैक्सीन लेने का फ़ायदा ही क्या है?
So this I would like to explain with a very good example, that is the BCG vaccine which are given to people to prevent from TB, the tuberculosis disease. So there are many people who have been vaccinated obviously when the child is born, but they do contract the disease in the adult age. There are many people who are still contracting the TB. So you all need to understand that vaccines work to prevent the disease but also to decrease the severity of any disease. The BCG vaccine was developed 100 years back and still there are researchers that are doing the studies on how they can improve the effectiveness of the vaccine. So you all need to definitely focus on the positive point of what the vaccine is providing now, that is preventing the severity of the disease. So that is more positive. You all don't want to die with the COVID, right? You all want to survive through this phase. So if it is helping you all in that way, so it is definitely a good point. You all need to focus on that. अरे भाई, कोविड वैक्सीन लेने से खुद कोविड हो जाता है हमको, तुमको ये नहीं पता?
And the answer to this question is a big no. कोविड वैक्सीन लेने से आपको कोविड नहीं होता है. Why? Because the vaccine does not contain any live virus particles that will cause you COVID-19. And the other thing is, अगर आपको वैक्सीन लेने के बाद फीवर या बॉडी एक ऐसे सारे सिम्टम्स आ रहे हैं, so that is because of a immune response that is generated by our body to the vaccine. Okay, so you do not have to worry about that. That is a natural response of our body to the vaccine, which shows that our body is reacting and generating a immune response.
पॉसिबिलिटी वन ये है कि अगर आप वैक्सीन लेने से पहले ही आप अगर इन्फेक्टेड हो, फिर आप डायग्नोस हो सकते हो कोविड से इवन आफ्टर द वैक्सीन. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन माई केस इटसेल्फ, आफ्टर आई टुक द वैक्सीन, within 5 days I got diagnosed with COVID-19. So it was not because of the vaccine, but I was already infected earlier, but it got detected a bit late because the manifestations came a bit later.
और सेकेंड पॉसिबिलिटी ये है कि अगर आपने वैक्सीन लिया है तो बॉडी को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है वो इम्यून रिस्पॉन्स जनरेट करने के लिए. सो आफ्टर यू टेक द सेकेंड डोज, ओनली आफ्टर दैट यू डेवलप immune response, and also it takes some time for it to develop. So it takes almost around 14 days or so after the second dose to develop a immune response.
रैपिड एंटीजन टेस्ट एंड RT-PCR तो पॉजिटिव आता है ना वैक्सीन लेने के बाद?
ऐसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. रैपिड एंटीजन टेस्ट एंड RT-PCR, they both detect only the active disease. That is, the rapid antigen test detects the antigen and the RT-PCR detects the viral load that is present in a person who is suffering from COVID-19. But when you take a vaccine, what happens is that our immune response is triggered and then you start developing antibodies. So your antibody test may come positive, but because of the vaccine, your RT-PCR or rapid antigen test will not come positive. The next myth is the vaccines have been developed so fast. Is it safe?
The answer is definitely it is safe. All vaccines are proven effective and also safe. Yes, the time in which it was made, it was very quick because we have a lot of advanced technology now. So all the vaccines have completed all the phases of clinical trials very much successfully. Hence you guys don't need to worry about it. मुझे तो कोविड हो गया है, अभी तो वैक्सीन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है ना।
ऐसे नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. You have to take the vaccine even if you have had COVID before. The reason being, आपको एक बार कोविड अगर हो गया है तो तभी के लिए आपका बॉडी जो है वो नेचुरल इम्यूनिटी से एंटीबॉडीज़ प्रोड्यूस करता है. लेकिन ये जो एंटीबॉडीज़ है थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो फेड होते हैं, जिसके वजह से आपको वापस री इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. So that is why it is necessary that you all take the vaccine, because once you'll take the vaccine, it will help you all to give a stronger response if you all are getting affected by COVID again, and the severity of the disease would be reduced. So that is why it is necessary to take the vaccine even if you have been tested COVID positive in the past.
For those of you who have been COVID positive, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has given the guidelines that after 14 days from the day of complete recovery, you all can take the vaccine. And for those patients who have received plasma or they have received monoclonal antibodies like tocilizumab, itolizumab, bevacizumab, you all can take the vaccine after 90 days. Okay, so this is the time period that has been given by the CDC. So according to these guidelines, you can go and get yourself vaccinated.
अभी वैक्सीन तो मैंने ले लिया है, तो फिर मास्क वगैरह पहनने की तो ज़रूरत ही नहीं है.
This is a misconception because for any vaccine to give 100% protection to the humans, it is very important that vaccine is given to all humans and every kind of host or vector carrying the disease. So until and unless everyone is vaccinated, 100% protection cannot be given, like it was done in the case of smallpox. So you all need to notice that vaccine लेने के बाद भी you have to take all the precautions. You all have to wear your masks. You will have to sanitize, maintain social distancing. It is very important. Do not lose your guard after you take your vaccination. The next myth is vaccine should not be given to patients with blood pressure issues, diabetes, HIV, kidney problems, or cancer survivors.
And the answer is no. The vaccine should be given to these high risk population, as right from the start of COVID it has been told that the population who has comorbidities are at the higher risk of getting COVID, as well as they have a increased risk of having a greater severity of the disease. So it is very essential that these high risk group of people get their vaccines at the earliest possible. The next myth is the vaccine causes infertility.
The fact is there is no scientific evidence or study that proves that the COVID vaccine can cause you infertility. So there is no evidence of it yet.
Oh no, मुझे तो periods हो गए, मैं तो vaccine अभी नहीं ले सकती.
Now this is one of the famous rumor that I've seen on online posts since a week. So definitely, as you all, many of you all know the answer that ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि period के time आप vaccine नहीं ले सकते, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. But definitely I would advise people, the girls who have got heavy bleeding या बहुत ज़्यादा pain होता है आपको, बहुत ज़्यादा cramps आते हैं आपको periods के time, तो taking the vaccine you might develop symptoms like fever, body pain and all. It will add on to your period pain and bleeding. So might as well delay your vaccination after your periods. That's definitely a good option. मैंने तो सुना है यार कोविड वैक्सीन लेने से ब्लड क्लॉट्स होता है यार. Some people who have received the vaccine containing the AstraZeneca and the vaccine that was produced by Johnson & Johnson have developed blood clots. But that accounts to only 0.0004%, which is almost nil. So if you see, the risk that is associated with the vaccine is almost negligible. But if you get COVID-19, the risk of developing blood clots is around 20 times more than that which is produced by the vaccine. So if you weigh both, the risk associated with the vaccine is far less than the benefit that is associated with it. That is why you have to go and take the vaccine. Also, one more important point is that people who have been taking drugs like the hormonal contraceptive pills and other cancer drugs, other drugs that can cause blood clots when you use it for a long term, you all definitely need to consult your doctors about it, about how to go about after taking the vaccine.
I am on blood thinners. I cannot take the vaccine.
You all need to know that blood thinners are taken by people who have had ischemic heart disease or any stroke in the past. So such patients, definitely they should consult their doctor. You cannot take the COVID vaccine if you are pregnant or breastfeeding.
The answer is that there are no evidences right now, because there is no study which is done on this population, this group of subjects. So it is not really known to us whether if it is safe or no in pregnant and lactating mothers. So if anybody wants to take the vaccine, it is better to consult with your doctor, and then accordingly you all can go and take your vaccine. Next myth is, I have already taken my flu vaccine, so do I need to take the COVID vaccine?
So in this case, you need to know that your flu vaccines or the influenza vaccines are different from your COVID vaccines. So definitely you have to take your COVID vaccine.
मैंने सुना है कि वैक्सीन लेने से पहले फास्टिंग करना पड़ता है.
So this is another rumor that has come up. So definitely there is no need of fasting. You can eat well, eat healthy, eat everything normal like you have had in all these past days. You all don't need to change your diet because of taking the COVID vaccine. Vaccines तो genetics को बदलता है, आपको पता है?
It is not true at all. Why? Because the vaccines, they do not enter the nucleus which contains the DNA in order to make an alteration, but it affects the ribosomes. So that is why the vaccines cannot alter the DNA. So please do not worry about that. It is not going to affect your DNA or change the genetics.